In the fifth slide, you're seeing how total dimensional shift produces the Higgs bosonic effect, which produces mass in the universe. This particular slide also shows you how the mass is produced and how possibly the Big Bang could have occurred in the universe at the end of the t dimension of the total dimensional shift, which makes total dimensional shift to move towards forward dimensional shift. Now look at x dimension. Positive charge produces inward compressing forces, and in the y dimension you also make out that when there is a compressing force, one dimension leads to a stretching of another dimension. So in order to compensate, there is an oscillating or vibrating force in all the dimensions which produces spinning effect in the two dimensions. And in the z dimension, however, it produces a spin polarity. Now spin polarity is actually moving towards one single direction. But again, this translates that it cannot move in one direction. Again, it has to move back in another direction. So it produces the spin polarity, produces a spin polarity vibration that produces, from integral spin, it produces half spin. Now if you are carefully noting, integral spins represents the bosonic effects and half spin represents the fermionic effects. So conversion of a bosonic effects into fermionic effects means that the total dimensional shift is all ready to move into forward dimensional shift. That means mass will eventually break up, explode like in a Big Bang to produce the universe that we are all seeing today or existing today. So this particular transition of total dimensional shift into forward dimensional shift, by converting a completely integral or whole spin into half spin, which makes matter to divide and explode and expand, is a very phenomenal thing that shows how probably Big Bang might have taken place in the universe. And with this, we are able to explain all laws and forces of nature and unify all laws and forces of nature by using simple mathematics of dimensional shift. And the principle of monosymmetry is that principle which shows how mathematics of dimensional shift forms the most basic and fundamental laws of nature.